Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. Guys, we're talking about that generation here, 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the windshield wipers relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses from. That way you don't waste time and money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. Guys, stay with us. We'll cover all that in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So the windshield wipers relay, which relay we need to check for them, we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You have 2 fuse boxes, but we'll need to open just one of them, which is located under the hood in the engine bay. And if we guys zoom in a little bit, right behind your 12-volt battery, you have a fuse box cover here. You open that fuse box cover and you'll see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Check this thing out. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here you will have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, expensive at the parts store. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacement ones at a really good price, quick shipping. That way, guys, okay, you can save money as well. The relay that we need to check specifically, guys, for the wipers now, okay, will be in that relay panel right here. Okay, you can see that's the relay panel that we need, and the relay that we need to check specifically for the wipers will be the one on the very top right here. That relay will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.